So this has been my latest obsession. These are called cinelifters. Basically, your fully manual, high-performance acrobatic FPV drone, but instead of it carrying a GoPro, it carries a cinema camera.
Didn't crash it yet. It is scary flying something so expensive, but kind of makes it more fun too.
Now, the way you fly these are very different from a typical drone because it's fully manual. Most drones, you can kind of let go of the controller. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Hold on. Ooh, I really messed that one up. I think I have to replace the motors. That was not a good crash. You can't just let go of the controller or else it'll do what that just did. But yeah, when it comes to learning how to fly FPV, crashing is definitely a big part of it. Now the Sony FX6 that's on here is actually a really ideal FPV camera. Comes in at just £6, has built-in ND filters,